Welcome to the Abilities First, Accessible Skies Drone Show, where partnerships take flight. We celebrate what we've accomplished together and we illuminate the boundless possibilities ahead. Watch as the sky becomes our canvas, telling the story of what we achieve when we soar together. Like these birds taking flight together, RBT CPA has helped us soar to new heights. Your partnership gives wings to our mission, proving that when we rise together, we lift our entire community. Thank you for helping us reach heights we've never imagined possible. Because of you, we're not just dreaming, we're flying. Cuddy and Fader, you've been steadfast champions of our accessibility and justice in our community. Your unwavering support ensures that every person we serve has an advocate in their corner. Together, we're building a foundation of equity and opportunity. You stand for those who need someone to stand with them, and that changes everything. Thank you, Rhinebeck Bank, for investing in potential and believing in our community. Together, we've empowered over 1,300 individuals and will continue reaching even further. Your trust in our mission helps dreams become reality. Every life touched, every milestone reached, it starts with partnerships who believe. Partnership is our foundation. You've proven that when our community comes together, we create connections that change lives forever. These hands reaching across the sky remind us that no one succeeds alone. We rise by lifting others. That is the power of unity. This is what happens when compassion meets action. Mackie Butts and Whalen, your commitment builds bridges. Together, we've created belongings for hundreds of families, and we're just getting started. You've shown us that true partnership means standing with us through every milestone and challenge. You don't just support our work, you are part of our family. Watch as this heart takes shape. NFP, your generosity beats at the center of all we do. Look at what we've achieved together. Transformation, growth, and breakthroughs. Like these lights in the sky, your compassion helps dreams take flight. You've shown us that the greatest gift isn't just what you give, it's that the belief you place in those we serve. Our roots run deep, our branches reach wide. We've grown stronger together, cultivating opportunities for our community to flourish. Thank you to Ulster Savings Bank, the Hudson House and Distillery, Orange Bank and Trust, Marist College, TEG, Walden Savings Bank, Think Wealth, Mid-Hudson Federal Credit Union, Fit and Fun Playscapes, Community Playthings, and Stanger Glass, Hangstrom, Linders, and Lule. You are the roots that keep us grounded and the branches that help us grow. Like this tree, your support creates shade for those who need shelter and fruit for those who hunger for opportunity. PKF O'Connor Davies, you've created a lasting legacy in our community. Your partnership doesn't just change today, it illuminates tomorrow for generations to come. Thank you for your vision and commitment to building something that will endure. The impact you're making will echo far beyond what we can see in the sky this evening. Central Hudson, you truly light up our future. This is what we've built together, a circle of support where everyone belongs. Imagine what we'll continue to achieve as we soar even higher. Powered by partners like you who keep our mission shining bright. You don't just provide energy to homes, you fuel hope, you ignite potential, and you power transformation. A rainbow, a symbol of nature's promise of hope and possibility. This spectrum of light represents the diversity of our community and the brilliant future we're creating together. After every storm, there's beauty. After every challenge, there's breakthroughs. You make both possible. Every color in this arc represents a life you've touched, a barrier you've helped remove, and a future you've helped brighten. Focus Wealth Management. You understand that true wealth is measured in transformed lives and futures secured. Thank you for investing in our community's greatest assets, our people. Our partnership has helped build financial stability and independence for those we serve. You've shown us that the richest legacy isn't counted in dollars. It's measured in opportunity, dignity, and self-determination. An image of an adult and a child, hand in hand, captures what is made possible every single day at Abilities First. You're not just supporting programs, you're nurturing trust, you're guiding growth, and you're walking alongside families on their journey. This is the future we're building together, one gentle handhold at a time. Because of you, no child walks alone and no family faces challenges without support. To our partners at Salvent Wealth Management, your giving is as strategic as it is generous. You've shown us that impactful philanthropy changes trajectories, and it opens doors, and it creates opportunities that ripple through generations. Thank you for your thoughtful partnership. You invest with both wisdom and heart, and that combination transforms lives in ways that compound over time. We do love Abilities First, and we love that our community that makes our work possible. This heart in the sky represents every person whose life has been touched, every family who's found support, every individual who's discovered their own strength. That's the power of love in action. It's not just what we do, it's who we are because of who you are. As the sky tells our story this evening, when we work together, we create something spectacular that lights up our entire community. Thank you all for making this extraordinary. Together, let's continue to shine even brighter. These two words, thank you, can never fully capture the depth of our gratitude, but they're where every conversation and impact must begin. To every partner represented this evening in lights and sound, you are a bright light. You are the hope. You are the reason we believe in boundless possibilities. From all of us at Abilities First, thank you for taking flight with us. Just as these lights fill the sky, your generosity fills lives with promise, purpose, and limitless potential.